Hello everyone, this is your boy Ilya from HY13 Tech, and today we are back with another video. So today we are going to install and review this front bumper splitter by EVBASE for my Tesla Model 3 Highland, and I'd like to thank them for sending me the product for free. So let's get started.
First of all, you'll find the link to the front splitter in the description, available on EVBASE. Don't forget to use my code HY13 to get 18% off, which is about $34 off. That means you'll get the splitter for $155 instead of $189. Let's not waste any more time and jump right into the unboxing. The product is actually well packaged, and the box didn't get damaged much during shipping, which is always nice. As soon as you open it, you'll see that the splitter is divided into 3 pieces. Here's what it would look like once all 3 parts are assembled together. You also get some extra double-sided tape in the box, just in case. Let's move on to the car. Here's what my Tesla looks like without the splitter. It's nice, but it's missing a little something. It just lacks that aggressive touch. The very first thing we're going to do is clean the area where the splitter will be attached using isopropyl alcohol. Then we reassemble the splitter using the screws provided in the kit. Once that's done, I unscrew the bolts underneath the bumper, which I'll keep and reuse when reinstalling the splitter from below. As you can see, I've already scratched the bottom of my bumper a little bit, so this splitter will also help protect the paintwork from future impacts, which is honestly great. Now I'm tackling the double-sided tape that needs to be applied to the splitter. It was a bit of a hassle since there was a lot of it, but it's manageable, and honestly, it's kind of satisfying to peel it off. Once that's done, I go back to the car and carefully position the splitter without pressing the tape on yet, making sure everything lines up perfectly. When it's in place, I press firmly where the tape is to get a solid hold. Then I take the bolts I removed earlier from under the bumper and put them back in exactly the same spots. No need to drill new holes, which is amazing. That means the splitter can be removed later with no visible damage to the car. I'm not showing you all the screws being reinstalled, but there are about 8 or 10 of them, so it goes pretty quickly. Don't over-tighten them, it's still plastic. Personally, I stopped tightening as soon as I saw the plastic start to bend a bit. No need to crack the splitter. And here's what it looks like once everything's screwed in. It really doesn't take long. Once the screws are in, grab a hairdryer and heat up the areas with tape while pressing down firmly to make sure it sticks well. And here is the final result. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think it looks amazing. Here's a quick before shot, and here's the after. The black on white contrast is super clean, especially since I've added other black accents to my car, like the rear spoiler. The kit fits the car perfectly, no gaps, no misalignments. I'm really happy with how it turned out. As I said at the beginning of the video, you'll find the link to the splitter in the description, and you can get 18% off with my code HY13. Thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you are thinking of buying a Tesla, don't forget to use my referral link to save $1,000 on your purchase.